Had very good negotiations today with Iran, getting a lot of the things that they should have given us a long time ago. We'll see how it works out, but they're very good. Moving along very nicely. And they've destroyed a lot of additional targets today. The Navy's gone, the Air Force has gone, and we know that. We destroyed many targets today. It was a big day.
Time is ticking by. I cannot seem to rest my eyes. Lost and tired, being blind to all the hate and all these lies. I'm tired.
Turns out the regime who chanted death to America and death to Israel was gifted death from America.
I'm tired of the world